There are people minting millions every single day using AI, while you, on the other end, are working in a dead end job for the money that you don't think is enough. And you are missing out on this huge opportunity. Hi everyone, today I'm going to list down 7 highly profitable business ideas that you can start from your home using AI tools. There are some exceptional communities wherein people have shared the amount of MRR, monthly recurring revenue, and it is time for you to now get started with this wave. There is this free AI tool called chat.jointechmart.com, and it's a great place to validate and know more details about the business idea that you want to start. Just enter the type of business that you want to get into and it will list down all the things that you will have to do. To start the business, go check that out. This is a great way for you to get more information about the business that you want to get into. And now let's talk about the 7 exceptional business ideas that you can start with AI. The first AI business idea is to start building AI avatars for founders and their personal brands. Creators like Varun Maya and Finance with Sharan are also using AI to create their videos. And it actually works and generates millions of views. For the audio, it is called 11 Labs. For the video, you can use Synthesia or Hagen. You have to upload a video of yourself speaking for about 5 minutes and it will create an AI avatar with which you just have to enter the script. You have the audio coming from 11 Labs, the video coming from Hagen or Synthesia, and there you go. You are ready with an AI avatar completely made from scratch. And now you can reach out to the founders of B2B and B2C companies and record a 5-minute video of them speaking about something and then generate their AI avatar, through which automatically without their involvement, you can generate multiple reels for them. So it's a great way for them to save their time and pay you for the amount of reach that you are generating for them. There is one business idea through which a 20-year-old is able to generate $8 million every year. He has built this app through which people can find out how healthy is something for them to eat right. They can literally scan a picture of any eatable out there and it will show them how healthy is the thing for them. All you have to do is take a generative model. It could be GPT-4o and put that into an app which can look at the label of anything. Could be chips, could be Maggie, could be any other thing, biscuits, cookies. It could be any other eatable and it can suggest if the thing is right for you or not. You can enter your age, height, weight, health problems you're facing, etc. And it will give you an exact prescription. The next business idea is all about fashion. What you can do is build an app using AI which will help them scan every single clothing item that they have and it will automatically create matching outfits and which color would suit them and complement their skin tone. This is a great way for you to monetize because everyone wants to look good, right? You want to look stylish, it can style you for anything. Office, party, wedding, everything. So you can build it, and if you're curious about how will you build all these apps, tell us in the comment section. We'll make a detailed video on this. The fourth business idea is basically to build Infosys or TCS, but on steroids. Essentially, your job would be to reach out to the businesses and help them install AI apps, automations, and workflows for their company. So all you have to do is just to go up to them and say that, hey, I can help you save 60% of your costs that you today incur with the help of AI agents that I can deploy for you. It could be as simple as replacing their chat support from actual human labor to deploying a chat server which is customized for their product and their problems to troubleshoot any problem that the customer is facing. Another AI business idea is to help small businesses generate websites using just AI. There are many tools like, for example, Framer. So you just have to mention a couple of lines about what you want and it generates amazing websites on itself. You just have to use AI. Another thing that you can do is build a LinkedIn personal branding agency for founders and creators wherein you will be using AI for style transfer. Basically, you create a custom GPT which is trained on all the previous LinkedIn posts of that creator and now it will be able to create posts in their style itself. LinkedIn is a great platform for B2B companies to find leads and so founders will pay anything if you get them those leads. If you can help them with that, they are ready to pay you top buck. And the last business idea is again in B2B space. The business idea that I want to talk about is in the field of client retention and acquisition. And this is where you can deploy AI agents. So there's an amazing platform called Lindy where you can go, which can help you create AI agents for anything in a business. Now, client acquisition is something where a lot of companies deploy millions and millions of dollars right for a business. If you can help them crack a deal using AI tools, they will happily pay you 1 to 5% without a hiccup. And 1 to 5% of their deal is going to mean that you're going to make thousands and thousands of dollars. These, my friends, were the 7 highly profitable business ideas that you can start with AI from the comfort of your home. I hope this video was insightful. I will see you all in the next one. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also write us in the comment section if you have any questions about these ideas.